Baby, it is so ready to eat. We're gonna go ahead and slide it over here. And we have a nice bread box that we're gonna fill with a little butter, of course. Garlic butter. Mix that around a little. Got some garlic butter in here. Go ahead and cover all the walls. That's exactly what I want to do. Right there. Flip it. Wow, it smells amazing. I know y'all can't smell this, but I can, and I'm telling you, I cannot wait for lunch. Let's get the exterior walls covered. Come through. Beautiful. One last one. Let's get this side. Nice. Now, of course, a little Parmesan cheese. Just like that. Like that. Let's get that side covered in too. And I'm going to throw just a bit on the inside. And here we go. Let's move on. This stays here. And this goes here. Let's move on. Just like that. Grab this beautiful baby. And let's go, y'all. Look at that beauty. Sis. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Now let's go in here. Shred that baby apart. We're going to use this, mix it up with all this nice bark. It smells delicious. Now we're going to go ahead, slide in our garlic bread. Right here, we get a nice thick slice of this brisket. And we're going to go ahead and place it inside our garlic bread. We're going to build this brisket lasagna like this. Look at that. We have some barbecue sauce. We're going to go ahead and pour in here. We have some pre-baked, pre-cooked lasagna slices like this. Look at that. Go in here. We got some vintage matured cheddar to honor this beautiful, beautiful brisket. And we continue building. We get another slice. Baby. And we go. Grab a little more lasagna, nicely covered in barbecue sauce. And one last one here. Make sure it is covered, y'all. Beautiful, like that. We're gonna finish off real quick with a tiny bit more of sauce. And a little shredded mozzarella. Some of this excess that we have on the tray. We're gonna go ahead and put it on top, get a nice little crust. We are off to the oven. All right, y'all, 15 little minutes. Let's get this cheese nice and grated. Boy, let's go.